Turmeric soap reduces scars, evens your skin tone, gives you a natural glow. It also treats acne, eczema, psoriasis.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's me Siobhan, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this turmeric soap. So I've been making turmeric soaps overall for about 2 years now, 2-3 years now, and they always come out in different shades because I use different soap bases. So this one right here is a more translucent soap because I use a clear base, right? And my soaps are infused with tea tree oil. So just stay tuned and I'm gonna show you how to make these soaps. Let me just tell you, I love these soaps year round, right? Not only because it's my product, I do sell soaps, but they're very beneficial. They make your skin glow. You see I'm on camera right now, no makeup, because I'm very confident in my skin. Sometimes I may take a break and soap run out and I'm using something else. I don't usually have skin problems, but there's still a huge difference when I start using the soap again. My face starts glowing and I'm like, my skin looks good. And this is what I was not saying when I stopped using it. So although there were no issues, but although you don't have to have any issues to use the soap, it's still beneficial to you, and I want you to try it.
The ingredients needed to make this soap is ground turmeric, rubbing alcohol, black pepper, tea tree oil. You need an organic soap base. You need a container to put the soap in, a knife to cut up the soap, a scale, measuring spoons, and also a pot to use the double boiler method. Right here is the soap base cut up in little pieces, and I have it on top of the scale because I'm measuring exactly 4 pounds. You can use as much as you want, but for this specific batch, I need 4 pounds. So I cut up 4 pounds of this organic soap base. You see, if you can see clearly, it's 4 pounds on the scale. What I'm going to do next is put this on top of the pot filled with water. The pot is filled with water. And by putting this container of soap on top of that water that is heating up, that is called the double boiler method. Some people put their soap in the microwave. I think this is more natural of just boiling it with this method. As you can see, the soap has melted, and I'm turning the fire down because we don't need it to burn or dry out. So by stirring the soap, I am helping the little pieces that have not melted as yet to melt. Next, I will be adding the ingredients once the soap has fully melted. Now, the rule of thumb when adding turmeric is 1 teaspoon per pound of soap. Now, because I use 4 pounds of soaps, you can guess how much teaspoons of turmeric I use. 4 teaspoons. All right, so I'm going to stir that. Some people, you can use a blender to stir because as you see, the turmeric powder tends to clump up. But I had time, so I continue to use my spatula to blend it in and crush the turmeric powder. Right here, the turmeric has fully blended into the container. I did add mica powder just to give it a nice little glitzy glam glow. Mica powder is like a natural glitter made from volcanic ashes, right? So that's also natural and it's also a benefit to your skin. Everything here is natural. So as I continue to stir, you're gonna see. There you go. You're gonna see that glow, looking like galaxy. I love it. So at this point, the fire is off and the soap is starting to cool down. So I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients, which is the black pepper. I actually don't have that on video, but black pepper is the activating agent. So it'll activate the ingredients in the soap. Right here, I'm putting in the tea tree oil. Usually I'll put like 2 drops, but my dropper was only filling up halfway, so I filled it about 4 times. If you were wondering what the rubbing alcohol is for, this is what it's for. I spray it to get rid of the bubbles. As you can see, as I spray, it disappears. Because you want a nice, pretty soap, so this is how you do it. And that's it. Here is the end result, a beautiful bar of soap. And I can't wait to use it. I can't wait for you guys to try it. All you have to do is go to my business page, beautyusingsimplyherbs.com, and order your soap and let me know what you think. Or you can make your own. All right? Thanks for watching.